are starting at 7 o'clock. We planned to do it at 6, but well, sweet sleep didn't let us wake up early. But that's okay, we can cover that time. Today's ride is not long, but it is interesting. बाकी की बातें राइड करते समय।
तो बजरंगबली जी का नाम लेते हुए हमने शुरू कर दी है हमारी आज की राइड। क्या रास्ते है भाई साहब, और क्या पहाड़ है यार। So people, now it is time I show you something that is very beautiful. So you see those mountains in the background with our bike standing here? Well, guess what? We are about to go towards those mountains. So bike's here for a moment to just take the pictures of that beautiful background. Once done, now we'll be headed right towards those things.
Alright, so हमारा आज का पहला डेस्टिनेशन is Aliyur Park and Dam Viewpoint.
And the entry ticket for this place is 20 rupees per person.
Alright, so we have a beautiful stream here and steps leading to that particular place, and why we are going there I'll be telling you in a bit. Looks like we'll be climbing somewhere around 4 floors, so we are greeted with अभी तक हमने देखा कि यार यहाँ अलीयूर डैम का ये व्यू पॉइंट है, ठीक है, ये पूरा व्यू पॉइंट है। वहाँ से ये जो एरिया है, ये वाला एरिया, दिस एरिया, वहाँ से अपर अलीयूर डैम से पानी आता है और यहाँ पे लगता है। बट मोर इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट, ये जो सामने आप पहाड़ देख रहे हो, दिस पर्टिकुलर माउंटेन, currently we are standing here and looking at that particular place. Within a few minutes or hours we'll be right there and overlooking this particular dam. So after a brief stop at this place, it's time हम आगे बढ़ते हैं। वेलकम टू अन्नमलाई टाइगर रिजर्व पोल्लाची।
अच्छा ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಟಿಕೆಟ್
So this is where you take some tickets. That my friend has gone to take some tickets for the forest area, and there's a lot of checking that will happen here, so don't rush, be careful. Alright, so we are at the first viewpoint for the day in this Valparai Ghat section, and there's parking for the bikes and the cars behind. So well, we have a 50 rupees ticket and there are steps that lead to this place. Just a few steps you reach the destination, and 50 rupees, I don't know why, it seems like too much, but the place is quite rushed. There's a lot of rush in this place. And for 3, 2, 1. So the name of this falls is Monkey Falls. Starts right from there, comes down, flows all the way down. Well, it's a beautiful place, but too much touristy. A lot of people. Hey, shh. Curious guy. Hey, Papa. So monkeys are a menace here. Hey, what are you doing, man? Huh? Hey, what?
Alright guys, so after completing a viewpoint here, we're now headed to the next place. So a fact about this place is, not a fact, but what I checked from Google's and all those things is, there are a lot of viewpoints in this place, so you have to be slow, and wherever you see a good viewpoint you can just stop there for a while, enjoy, and then keep going. So that's the thing. And also this place is only open between, I guess, 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. or something, because it's a reserve forest, tiger reserve forest. Entry is restricted, so make sure that you plan accordingly. Number 2. Whoa. Whoa. Damn, that is bad.
Alright guys, so like I said before, तो वो जो आपको दिख रहा है वहाँ पे, that is the dam where we were standing, and looking at this point where we were standing right now. And well, this is the route. So this is the ghat area, and it's absolutely beautiful.
Alright, so after this viewpoint, we're now headed forward. So we have decided that we'll be stopping at hairpin number 10, because that is a good hairpin. I mean, that's a good place to stop at, so that we don't lose our focus of riding. Oh, higher and higher, the dam looks so clearer. So right now guys, we are at our next viewpoint, which is near Atakatti. The name of the viewpoint is Hornbill Viewpoint, Jungle Walk. Damn, Royal Enfield is doing a CSR here. There, Hornbill is a bird's name, no? You'll get to see that bird there. Take your camera.
You really think so?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. There is so many people out there. You're gonna go somewhere else.
बाबू ये चलिए ना पकड़ मेरे को जानता नहीं है ये
Alright guys, we are now at our next viewpoint, and the name of the viewpoint, Hornbill Viewpoint. तो यहाँ पे टिकट लेनी पड़ती है, जो कि है 50 रुपए per person, and the payment is only online. So yeah, that's it. They'll give you the Wi-Fi. So we have parked our bikes here, and now about to enter. So this is the museum. A lot of things. And then this is how the place opens up right into the forest. एकदम बढ़िया व्यू है, कुछ झूले वूले है, एक बढ़िया पाथ है व्यू पॉइंट के लिए जाने के लिए, benches to sit, and a little pond. So a little brief about this place. You'll get a lot of knowledgeable things, boards hanging here. And this place is a CSR initiative of Royal Enfield. Sir, we have a very interesting thing, jungle walk. So चलिए, let's explore कि भाई क्या चीज़ है. So there's this interesting jungle path. So I don't know till where does it go. So let me just explore. ठीक है. But well, it feels good. It feels right. So this is the place. We have a small bridge here, and that's it. There's nothing much here. As in all, this place is really good. Good for a jungle feel, peace walk. It's time to look at the view that I came here for. That's the Hornbill view point. So wait for it. It's just here. Okay, you can already see some glimpses.
So after this viewpoint, it now brings us to the end of part 1 of day 2.